Hello vlog, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time. I'm actually vlogging today because I am going on a trip to a place called Vallee de la Loire. I will put the words on the screen, which is not far from Paris. I'm studying abroad this semester, FYI. And yeah, going on a weekend trip with my program, and I thought I'd take the vlog along, show everyone all the castles that we see, what more rural France can look like, and hopefully some of the good food that we eat. In terms of packing, which I still have to do, it is 7 a.m. the morning of the trip, and I need to be at the train station by 8:50 a.m. So I have a little less than 2 hours. I am just bringing a backpack because it's a 2-day trip. This is my backpack that I normally use for school. So right now I'm going to empty it out, put in the stuff I'm gonna bring, and then I will show you some of that. Okay, so I'm back. It is now 7:45 and my bags are packed. I wanted to give you just a little tour of the things that I'm bringing with me. And I've laid it all out on my bed. Here's my backpack like I showed you before. I just have a change of clothes and then what I'm gonna wear to bed, and then a crochet project that I'm working on. And then they said it might rain, so I have my umbrella, I have my gloves because my hands get really cold really quickly, mask, headphones, and then my fanny pack, which has really been coming in clutch. And what I have in there is my Paris student ID cards to help get discounts with what I assume are the castles and museums, and then my keys, chapstick, lotion, stuff like that that is like useful to have. In terms of breakfast, I wanted to mention that I will be having some yogurts. I've accidentally been stockpiling them from my building's breakfasts and dinners, so I have way too many and I will be eating 1 or 2, and then I will also be taking a banana with me for the road. Okay, so I have about 15-20 more minutes before I want to start heading out. I have a homework assignment actually that is due Monday, and it's a creative writing assignment, so I think I'm going to sit down and start working on that a little bit. And then I will hopefully see y'all in the bus. I've never been in this scare before. Yeah, I'm like collecting. Collecting. Like Pokemon. Yeah, gotta catch them all.
Le départ est prévu à 9h29. Merci de vérifier que votre titre de transport est valable. Nous restons à votre disposition pour tout renseignement. Mesdames et messieurs, je vous rappelle que suite à la forte affluence à bord du train, merci de ne pas empêcher les autres voyageurs de s'installer sur les places en y mettant vos effets personnels ou bagages. Merci encore pour votre civisme.
Alors,
Loire.
you played an accordion before.
That feels like a euphemism for something.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
This is such a cute little street. Someone's parking lot. We're on the second floor of a castle. That's wild. And there's like maybe a little hiding spot for if the defending isn't going well.
Dans un premier temps, Philippe l'Espagne pense qu'elle va pouvoir.
This is kind of a cute kitchen. Like, I wouldn't be mad if this was my kitchen. So right now my group is settled into the place that we're staying for tonight. It's so beautiful. I think my program has outdone itself, and I will insert clips of the area. It's just so scenic and serene. And there's apparently also like a wedding venue. And so different groups of my program are in different houses, and it's like very much a house. There's like a kitchen, living room, bathrooms that I wasn't expecting. I thought it would just be like a plain hotel. But anyways, I am so grateful to be here. We have about 40 minutes until dinner, and I think I'm just gonna try and get some homework done just so that I can have that little piece of productivity for today. And then hopefully I can be really present for the rest of tonight and tomorrow. I got my own room, which I'm so happy about. I will also insert clips of that. And yeah, we're just gonna have dinner, which is lasagna, and then go into bed. I also wanted to show you the view outside my window. The window's just open to like literally outside. There's like a random road. Like, this is very much the countryside. Look at that. Like, just look at the sky. Just look. Good morning, folks. That little spot right there was just a duck and it flew away. But this is part of the property that I'm staying at, and really beautiful, really serene. There's a swing that makes me really happy, and you can hear the birds chirping. But yeah, just wanted to share that this morning. One of the gardens on the castle property is stunning, very French, which is to say very geometric, lots of manicured bushes, straight lines, that sort of thing. That's the castle over there, and you can't see it, but there's a river between this garden and those trees. And then there's apparently a maze off in that direction, so I'll be headed there next. Hey, so it's the next morning and I realized that I never ended the vlog, but anyways, I had an amazing trip. I'm so grateful that I was able to capture parts of it and share it with you all, and I'd love to know if you've ever been to castles in France, / if this is a trip you think you'd enjoy. I really hope you liked this video, and I will see you in a video soon. Bye!